Oh, you're good.
Okay, this is Laurie and Tamara,
Chapter 8, number 22.
in the Department of Education at UR University. Student records suggested that the population of the students spends an average of 7.00 hours per week playing organized sports. The population standard deviation is 3.4 hours per week, based on a sample of 100 students. Healthy Lifestyle Incorporated, HLI, would like to apply the central limit theorem to make various estimates.
I'm going to show you how to compute the standard error of the sample mean. To compute the standard error of the sample mean, you would take sigma, which is given as a standard deviation of 3.40 hours, divide that by the square root of the sample size, which is 100. The square root of 100 is 10, so you would do 3.40 divided by 10 and come up with the sample mean, the standard error of the sample mean of 3.4. Now Tammy has, what is the chance HLI will find a sample between 6.3 and 7.7 hours? And we're going to round the z-values to 2 decimal places, and we're going to round your final answer to 4 decimal places.
Well, I have a poor job of doing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 7.7 hours minus 7 hours is the average per week. And then I'm going to divide it by the standard error, which is 3.34. And on the z-score, I would get 2.06. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find it on the z-score. Hold up, 2.06. You got it. 2.06 would give me 0.4803. And I'm going to multiply it by 2. It will give me 0.9606. I had part C where it says calculate the probability that the sample mean will be between 6.8 and 7.2 hours. To find the z-score, I did 6.8 minus 7.00, divided that by 0.34, which was our standard error, and got 0.59, negative 0.59. I went to the z-score chart, and I did 0.5 to 0.9, and got 0.2224. Then I figured out the z-score for 720. I did 720 minus 700 divided by 0.34, which once again gave me 0.59. So I already know my z-score was 0.2224, because it's the same as it was in the previous problem. And then I added 0.224 plus 0.224 and got 0.448. Okay. And the last question is, how strange would it be to attain a sample mean greater than 9 hours? So what I did, was where's the paper? Well, 9.2 minus 7, and I divided by 0.34, in which I got 6.47. So this is very unlikely,
because it is way below the average hours per week that are organized sports. Thank you very much for your time.
Goodbye.